Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. So there's a viral video of Khumalo singing. I think it was a church or conference, I'm not quite sure about that, but bantu baningi guys bathi nje hawu kanti ucula kamnandi sona, people were so shocked, bamangile basale bantu babambewa ngaphansi ukuthi cha waze wacula mani umfati wamsele. So kunele side lala bafati bamsele kulaba ngazivideli lona laphana kuthando nesithembu, we didn't know ukuthi uMakhumalo ucula kamnandi ngalendlela. So bahlala nje babeka atended ukuthi siyoloku sikhuluma ngabo kube ngazuthi babantu lababi, kube ngazuthi hey babantu laba guys nangu uMakhumalo uyasonda lana uyaqula. And people just said ukuthi cha sisi ngempela linhle kakhulu live lakho uyaqula uqula futhi kamnanzi. So allowing nje they were just complimenting her ukuthi cha waze waqula waqula kwangathi kuyovuleka amazulu, waqula bantu bafisa ngisho nokurepenta. And le side lakho leli lapha kuthando nesithembu abasikhombi lona. It's true mabathi lapha nabathi atindolo ti rights basikhombe nje letendo ukuthi siyoloku nathi sikhuluma ngato, siloku sibadrega, siloku sibabona ngazuthi babantu alababi akakhulu. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Good.